Alright, so I just got my grandmother's 2021 3.5 ton carrier air conditioner carrier Sentry air conditioner starting up. Over here. It's a open scroll. Sounded nice. And a broad ocean fan motor. Just straight cool. It's from 2021 and it's 3.5 ton, 11th week of 2021. And this is actually going to be a startup shutdown. Yeah, and here's the neighbors right here. Already filmed this. Oh, there it goes. Well, we just got 2 startups in one video right there, so yeah. Had a feeling that was going to happen during the recording of this video. I was thinking about it. I was like, oh, maybe when I'm recording, I think it might turn on and be a nice startup. Well, yeah. Anyways, there's these 2 running. All 3 of these in the row are running right now, so yeah. Anyways, yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out. Let's do the shutdown now.